Assam Rifles successfully conducted a dynamic and engaging summer camp for the children of Mantripukhri garrison from 17 June to 24 June 2024. A total of 39 enthusiastic children, including 25 boys and 14 girls, participated in the week-long camp filled with diverse activities designed to foster creativity, physical fitness, and team spirit. The summer camp featured a variety of activities, including horse riding, dance classes, musical instrument session, skits, badminton, golf, basketball, football, tree plantation, fireless cooking, paper flower making, and a drawing competition, team yoga. Its activity aimed to provide the children with new experiences and skills, encouraging them to explore their interests and talents. The camp concluded with a vibrant closing ceremony wherein the children showcased their talents through cultural dances and skits, earning applause and admiration from the audience. The participants were awarded prizes, certificates, medals, and souvenirs in recognition of their efforts and achievements. The children and parents expressed their appreciation for the camp's positive impact on their children.